Hi guys, I'm Coach Lisa Tobias and I'm going to show you 3 Pilates moves that you can do to target your core. Using one of these awesome mini loop bands, we're going to do a spine twist with a row. You're pulling that elbow behind you, trying to rotate and look over your shoulder and do 3 pulses and then reach it forward and do your other side. Pull tall and pulse. Try that. Great. Okay, now let's show you another one. We're gonna go ahead and use that loop band around the arches of your feet, and you're gonna lie down on your back. Doing a crisscross or a bicycle that many of you know, but with that loop band is just awesome. And rest. And then we cannot forget about side plank positions because that is also awesome for the core. So one of my favorites is a side plank, just propped up on the elbow. You're gonna lift your hips, you're gonna extend that leg and just do little pulses. Work until you feel that burn, and don't forget about your other side. Try those at home, I hope you enjoy them.